In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passport-size photo in Photopea. First, open Photopea and go to the File option at the top left corner of your screen, then click on Open and select the image you want to use for your passport photo. Once your image is opened in the workspace, the next step is to adjust it to the correct passport size ratio. To do this, select the Crop tool from the left toolbar. If another tool, such as the eyedropper or slice tool, is visible in that spot, simply right-click on it and choose the Crop tool from the list. After selecting the Crop tool, go to the top left corner and open the Ratio drop-down menu. Then choose the 1:1 ratio to maintain proper proportions. Now adjust the crop area according to the part of the image you want to include. You can zoom in slightly to align the face properly and ensure the framing looks professional. Once everything is aligned correctly, enable the Delete Cropped Pixels option at the top, then click on the checkmark icon to confirm the crop. After that, switch to the Move tool from the left toolbar and enable transform controls from the top panel. Slightly drag the corners inward to create a small margin around the image, then reposition it toward the center. This spacing will help later when placing multiple copies on a single page for printing and cutting. Next, go to the Edit option at the top left and choose Stroke. Set the stroke color to black and keep the width no more than 3 pixels. Then click OK. This creates a clear border around your passport photo. After that, again click on Edit, hover over Define New, and select Pattern to save this image as a reusable pattern. Now go to File and click New to create a fresh document. You can use dimensions such as 1280 by 720 pixels or any size suitable for printing. Keep the background transparent if you prefer, then click Create. Once the new document opens, go to Layer at the top, hover over New Fill Layer, and choose Pattern Fill. In the Properties panel, click on the Pattern Thumbnail drop-down and select the passport photo pattern you just created. You can adjust the scale to fit multiple photos on the page, increasing or decreasing it depending on how many copies you need. Zoom out using Alt and the scroll wheel to preview the layout and adjust the spacing as needed. When you are satisfied, close the Properties panel. Now your page is ready for printing. You can print it at home on photo paper or take it to a print shop and cut the images neatly along the borders. And this is how you can make passport-size photo in Photopea.